In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use N8n workflows quickly and efficiently. This is your shortcut to automating tasks, connecting apps, and saving hours of work every week. So let's jump right in. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official N8n website. Once the home page loads, click on Sign In. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. It's free and gives you full access to build and save workflows. After signing in, you'll land inside your workspace. This is where all the automation magic happens. Look for the plus icon and click it. You'll now see two options. You can either choose a specific app and action you want to automate, or you can start from a ready-made template. Templates are perfect if you're new because they show complete real-world examples you can customize. Once you load or create a workflow, you can begin connecting nodes. These nodes represent the apps and actions in your automation. As you build, one of the most important tools you'll use is the Executions tab. This shows every run of your workflow, helping you debug issues, spot errors, and understand exactly what each step is doing. If anything breaks, this is where you'll fix it. And when everything is running smoothly, N8n also gives you the ability to share your workflows with teammates or collaborators. Great for teams and standardizing processes. And that's it. You now know how to sign in, create workflows, use templates, debug executions, and share your automations, all inside N8n. Start exploring and begin automating your daily tasks with ease.